welcome back to the Recipe Rookie. If you're new here, I'm Josh, and I'm teaching myself how to cook one meal at a time. And today we're making the ultimate mac and cheese. This is super creamy, extra cheesy, and kid approved. So, let's cook. Ingredients for today's meal: 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of flour, 3 cups of whole milk warmed up, 1 cup of heavy cream. And you know how I know it's 1 cup? It says it right here. And here I have 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard.
Pardon me, would you have any Grey Poupon?
And half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And here's the most important part, besides the pasta, of course: 2.5 cups of cheddar, 1.5 cups of Gouda, and 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Look at all that cheese. Now for the toppings, we have 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of butter, and half a cup of Parmesan cheese. So that's all the ingredients. Let's go boil the pasta. Let's get the pasta started. First, we gotta take natural sea salt and just get it in there, you know. Yeah, that's good. For noodles, you can get the standard elbow macaroni style, or if you're crazy like me, you're gonna use cavatappi. As I like to call it, it's the twisty noodles. Look at that. Cavatappi, cavatappi. I don't know. Curly noodles. This is 1 pound of the spiral noodles. Here we go, let's add this. Hooray! We're gonna leave that uncovered for 11 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 11 minutes.
11 minutes. Starting now.
You know what? I like your voice better than Google. Alexa, how are you doing today?
My Saturday's been most satisfactory.
Alexa, what do you think of my Google Assistant?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Enough. Alexa, stop timer. Alexa, have a great day today.
Same to you.
Hey Google, how do you feel about me cheating on you?
Cheating might harm the cheater most of all.
Whatever. Let's turn this off. We're gonna take the pasta over to the sink and I'm gonna drain all the water out and then bring it back to the stove because we're about to make the cheese sauce. Okay. Now for the good stuff, the cheese sauce. We're gonna melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay, we need to get this butter melted. Hey Google, I kind of miss you now.
Me too. I'm looking forward to our next chat.
You want to chat now?
Of course I could talk for days.
I know that's true. Now we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of flour to this butter and let it cook for 1 minute. All right, that's about a minute. Now we're gonna add the 3 cups of the warm milk. And 1 cup of heavy cream. You want to make sure that you're whisking the whole time to keep it nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Now we're gonna add the salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Okay, I'm gonna add the 1 teaspoon of the Dijon mustard. Get that all mixed in up there. Make sure you keep it nice and smooth. Okay, we're gonna put this on low heat. Here's all the cheese I talked about: mozzarella, Gouda, and cheddar. Okay. And now we're gonna just keep stirring this until it's nice and smooth. Make sure it's smooth and creamy because this is the moment where you know it's gonna be amazing. Hey Google, do you like mac and cheese?
Sounds delicious.
Hey Google, which came first, the chicken or the egg?
On the website, theguardian.com, they say, egg wins by a country mile.
Wow, you heard it here first. That age-old question has been answered here on the Recipe Rookie. Alexa, stop timer. Okay, here we go. This is the best part. Okay. Gently stir. Oh, listen to that sound. Yeah, I like that sound. Now, you could eat it like this, but no, no, no. We're gonna take this to the next level. We're gonna add the topping of the panko breadcrumbs. So let's go head over to the table and get this ready for baking. So now we're gonna take our lovely pasta with the spiral noodles and put it in this white dish. Slowly, Josh. All right, I didn't make a mess. Spread this out. It's very soupy. Is that supposed to be like that? I don't know about this. Now let's make the topping. I got the melted butter. Putting it on the breadcrumbs. Gonna mix that. And I'm gonna do half of this with the breadcrumbs and half without. I think that's good. Okay, get that nice spread out. Okay, I like it. I think it looks good. Let's go put this in the oven now at 375 for 25 minutes. Okay, let's put this in the oven. Here, if you'd like to see, once again, I did half and half. Put it on the middle rack. Okay. Hey Google, set a timer for 25 minutes. Yeah. Hey Google, turn off a timer. All right. Now, it was a little soupy, and I don't know what we're about to see here, but you know what? Every recipe, I can't do it perfect every time, so let's see if I did what I did with this one. Ooh.
I don't know, but I love you.
Hey, Google, stop! Okay, here we go. Looks okay. I'll put that right there. Now, I'm gonna let this cool for about 10 minutes, and then we'll try it. All right, it's time for the moment of truth. Let's see what we have here. I'm gonna go breadcrumb side. Ooh, it's got the right texture. Did I actually pull it off? But here it is. This is what we're dealing with. All right, here we go. It's definitely edible. I think it's a success. And I really thought this was gonna be the first fail on the channel. All right, Austin, you are a mac and cheese connoisseur. Let's see what you think.
That's good.
Are you being serious?
Yeah.
You're gonna eat that whole thing?
I'm gonna try to.
All right.
Let's cook. It is really good.
It is?
Yeah.
You heard it here, both kids approve. It is the ultimate mac and cheese. If you like this video, please, please, please smash that thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button, share the video with friends and family. And of course, the bell right there, that'll give you notifications of every time a new video drops. Please drop a comment below, and I've got a question for you guys today. What's your favorite mac and cheese add-in? I heard I could have done bacon, could have not used breadcrumbs. I wanna thank everyone for watching, and we'll be back next week with another episode of the Recipe Rookie. And remember, let's cook. Shit. You hit the camera.
I'm sorry.
Shh.